Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in billet silver with HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, platinum side roof rails, platinum strip tail lamp, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 9,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN, heated rear seats, rear DVD entertainment center, power liftgate, a 5.7-liter V8 HEMI, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5983.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.